Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Baparai Engineers. Today we learn how to control 3-phase induction motor from 3 different location. We discuss about its both power and control wiring circuit. First we make its power circuit. In control wiring we connect overload relay in series with all 3 stop button. Then make holding circuit. In last, connect wires with contactor coil. In given circuit all the stop button are connected in series. Green start push buttons are connected in parallel with holding circuit. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more technical updates.